DJI's Osmo Pocket 3 made waves when it launched, especially among vloggers and content creators who needed a compact yet powerful camera. With its impressive 1-inch sensor, reliable stabilization, and a bright flip-out screen, it became a go-to tool for on-the-go shooting. Now, all eyes are on the next evolution, the Osmo Pocket 4, and the expectations are sky-high. Although it hasn't been officially released, leaks and early speculation suggest some impressive upgrades. Comparing it to the Pocket 3, we're likely looking at improvements across the board from image quality and stabilization to smart features and processing power. The standout feature of the Pocket 3 was its 1-inch CMOS sensor, a huge leap from earlier models. It enabled better low-light performance and more cinematic depth. The next version is expected to keep this sensor, but may introduce a significantly upgraded processor. That could mean better image rendering, enhanced dynamic range, and powerful new photo and video tools like advanced HDR. One of the most talked about upgrades is support for 10-bit color recording in professional modes. This would be a game changer for editors, allowing much more flexibility in post-production with smoother gradients and more accurate color. Currently, the Pocket 3 offers 4000 video up to 60 fps and slow motion up to 240 fps at 108p. The upcoming version may push that further to 4000 at 120 fps, perfect for slow motion footage that still retains high resolution. Higher video bitrates are also rumored, potentially exceeding the current 130 ms, which would reduce compression artifacts and preserve detail. Stabilization on the Pocket series is already among the best for handheld devices, but the new model might enhance vertical stabilization, minimizing the bounce seen when walking with improved mechanical or software-based systems. That would be a major benefit for vloggers and mobile filmmakers. In terms of autofocus, the next-gen model may introduce phase detection and even eye tracking, which would lock focus onto faces and moving subjects more effectively. DJI's AI tracking is already strong, but it's expected to become faster and more precise, ideal for time lapses and motion-based tracking. Audio could also get a boost. While the current model has solid built-in microphones, the new version might enhance wind noise reduction and possibly introduce features like directional audio or even spatial recording. Display-wise, no major redesign is expected, but improvements like higher brightness for outdoor shooting, faster touch response, or even a slightly larger screen could appear. The form factor should stay compact, but small ergonomic tweaks could improve handling comfort. One highly requested addition is a built-in tripod thread, removing the need for adapters, and there's speculation that weather resistance may finally be introduced, at least for light splashes and dust, adding peace of mind for outdoor creators. Battery life is already decent, with fast charging capabilities, but the new model may offer better efficiency or a larger capacity for longer 4000 shooting. Storage-wise, support for up to 1 TB microSD cards should remain, possibly with faster read or write support. We might also see a range of magnetic lens accessories, like ND filters and macro or wide-angle lenses, which would greatly expand its creative versatility. While we wait for the official launch, it's clear DJI is aiming to refine everything users loved about the Pocket 3 and push it further. If the rumors hold true, the Pocket 4 could redefine what's possible with a compact, creator-focused camera.